Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see my memory is 8 and 50% as soon as I start my laptop. Let's fix that problem guys. First method, you just need to disable SYS main. This service preloads apps into RAM. Sounds good, but on most PCs it's waste memory. To do this, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to find SYS main service. Just double click on it and select the stop option. Startup type, set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. And most users saw 10 to 30% RAM freed after restart guys. Method 2, you just need to disable Windows search indexing. This helps a lot. To do this, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In here, you just need to search for Windows Search Service. Just double click on it and startup type set to disabled and stop the service. Select apply and OK for save changes. This stops constant indexing that eats RAM all the time. Now just close it up here. Method 3, you just need to remove startup apps. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Startup Apps and disable everything that you don't need. For example, Teams, Cortana, OneDrive if not using, widgets, Discord, Steam Auto Start, and Microsoft Edge Auto Start. You just need to only keep audio drivers, touchpad, keyboard drivers, and antivirus. Other things you just need to disable it. Just right click on them and select disable option. And OneDrive, if you're using it, doesn't disable it. If you doesn't use, then disable it. After doing what I said, just close it up here. And method 4, you just need to turn off widgets. They constantly eat RAM. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings and just turn off this widgets option guys. If you doesn't see, then expand this option taskbar items and you can able to see widgets. Just turn it off and that's all you have to do it guys. After doing all the above methods, restart your PC and your memory on startup should be look like 20 to 35% used idle. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.